Is your skin feeling tight, flaky, or just plain dull this winter? If you nodded yes, you're definitely not alone. Winter can be beautiful and cozy, but for our skin, it's often one of the toughest seasons. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Welcome to Dr. Geeta's Lifestyle Hub, where we blend science, tradition, and self care to help you glow. Not just on the outside, but from within. So go ahead, grab your favorite warm drink, sit back, get comfortable, and let's talk about how to keep your skin soft, healthy, and radiant all winter long. The question is, why does winter make our skin so dry? Let's first understand what's really happening. Outside, the air is cold and dry. Inside, heaters and blowers reduce humidity even more. This combination strips away your skin's natural protective barrier, the very layer that keeps moisture locked in. And the result? Dry patches, redness, itching, flakiness, and sometimes even unexpected breakouts. That's why your summer skincare routine suddenly stops working in winter. Your skin needs more nourishment, more hydration, and much more gentleness. Let's build a simple and effective routine together. In winter, your face wash should never leave your skin feeling squeaky clean. That tight feeling? It actually means your skin barrier is damaged. Switch to a cream-based or hydrating cleanser that cleans without stealing your natural oils. Your skin should feel soft, not stretched. This step is like giving your skin its first glass of water. Look for ingredients like hyaluronic acid, glycerin, rose water. They help your skin absorb the next products better. A small tip: apply it by gently pressing it into your skin. No harsh rubbing. This is where the magic truly begins. In the morning, use a vitamin C serum. It brightens your skin, boosts collagen, and protects from environmental damage. At night, go for hyaluronic acid serum. It pulls moisture deep into your skin and keeps it plump and hydrated. Pro tip: always apply your serum on slightly damp skin. This one small change can double its effectiveness. This is not the season for lightweight lotions. Choose a thick, ceramide-rich moisturizer. Ceramides repair your skin barrier and prevent moisture loss. Think of it as wrapping your skin in a warm, protective blanket. This is non-negotiable. Just because the sun feels softer doesn't mean UV rays are gone. Daily broad-spectrum SPF 30 or more protects your skin from pigmentation, premature aging, and dullness. Because winter is the perfect time for some self-care rituals. Deeply hydrating and soothing for dry skin, a powerhouse of healthy fats for intense nourishment, perfect for calming irritation and reducing redness. Use any of these once or twice, turn it into your me time. These small habits make a huge difference. Try slugging at night. A thin layer of petroleum jelly over your moisturizer to lock in hydration. Use a humidifier if you stay in heated rooms. Your skin will thank you. Take care of your lips. A gentle sugar plus honey scrub followed by a thick balm works wonders. Avoid over-exfoliation. Once a week is more than enough in winter. And most important, drink water, because glowing skin always starts from within. It's about being gentle, being consistent, and listening to your skin. When you care for your skin with patience and love, it naturally begins to glow. And there you have it, your complete winter skincare routine to fight dryness, flakiness, and dullness, and bring back that healthy, radiant glow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with someone whose skin is struggling this winter, and subscribe to Dr. Geeta's Lifestyle Hub for more science-backed wellness and beauty tips. And I would truly love to know, what is your favorite winter skincare ritual? Tell me in the comments. Until next time, stay warm, stay radiant, and keep glowing.